tablets, one of the biggest screens that you can use it in your hands are back. What do I mean to say tablets in the budget segment? Those are not the iPads or the any type of different things. These are by a genuine company, which you might also know, Lenovo, and they are really good in the market of the tablet section rather than the laptops and gaming section. That's the another thing. But in this segment of the tablets, which means a budget, tablets are kind of a say there is only 2 to 3 processors are there, but Lenovo has kind of a comeback over here, because they are kind of also taken that place. But these are the 3 tablets by the Lenovo and this DRS, and let's get talking about it. With the base, which means the Lenovo Pad, and that's the name. You'll be getting is the 11 inches TDDI IPS LCD display. To talk about the operating system, you'll be getting is the Android 11 out of the box with their very own UI, which is ZUI. Talk about the processor, you'll be getting is the Snapdragon 662 with the GPU of Adreno 610. Talk about the battery, you'll be getting is the 7700 mAh lithium-polyethylene battery. Inside the box, you'll be getting is the 20-watt power adapter. Cameras, you'll be getting is the 13 megapixel sensor for the rear side with the video recording of 1080p at 30 fps. For the front side, you'll be getting is the 8 megapixel sensor with the video recording of 1080p at 30 fps. For the Lenovo Pad Plus, there is only one change over here, which is in the processor. You'll be getting is the Snapdragon 750G 5G. It's a 5G processor. If you talk about the GPU, you'll be getting is the Adreno 619. If you have to talk about the Lenovo Pad Pro, you'll be getting is the 11.5 inches OLED 90Hz display. How to talk about the processor, you'll be getting is the Snapdragon 870. It's a 5G processor. If you talk about the GPU, you'll be getting is the Adreno 650. If you want to know more about this processor, Keras has made a detailed video. Check it out in the icon button. If you have to talk about the battery, you'll be getting is the 8600 mAh lithium-polyethylene battery. Inside the box, you'll be getting is the 20-watt power adapter. Talk about the cameras. For the rear side, you'll be getting the 13 megapixel wide sensor plus 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Video recording 1080p at 30 fps. If you talk about the video camera on the front side, you'll be getting is the 8 megapixel wide sensor and the 8 megapixel 2F 3D sensor. If you have to talk about the video recording, you'll be getting is the 1080p at 30 fps. Talk about the Lenovo Pad series, it is really good in its own way. But before we have to talk about that, if you are new to the channel, then liking, sharing and subscribing and pressing also the bell icon gonna be appreciating our work. So Lenovo Pad, the base variant, the one thing is that they have given a good processor. 662 is not bad for a tablet. It's kind of an old processor, but it's good. Again, it's a 4G processor, not a 5G processor, and tablet's gonna be working smooth over there. But the thing is, what gonna be pricing, we have to talk about that also. And the battery is kind of low for that guy, so yeah, that guy is kind of low. And if you have to talk about the UFS, you'll be getting is the 2 tablets with the UFS 2.1, and the Pad Pro you'll be getting is the 3.1, which is not so mandatory for the tablets. For the students, I'm talking about for the students, but if you are the one who uses tablet for everything, then UFS is a storage energy type of thing, so it's kind of a mandatory thing. Lenovo Pad Plus, there isn't too many changes over there, but it's good. Again, they have kind of tried over there, but Pad Plus is not suitable for a person like me. It's a 5G, but they haven't given a good image over there. But if you have to talk about the Pad Pro, The battery is good, but they have given the 90 hertz support, and if you get the crisp in your hand, then you're gonna be using that crisp, right? And while using that crisp, the battery is gonna be drained a lot. So kind of marketing thing, I gotta say. But one thing is that Lenovo have, if they have given the Pad Pro in kind of a cheaper manner, then the camera is gonna be breaking up the market, because you're getting is the dual camera sensors. One is the TOF 3D sensor, which is gonna be detecting you while you are doing the voice conference and that all stuff. Tablets are mostly used for the education purpose and etc. stuff, but everyone uses in a different manner. Tablets are tablets. Even sometimes tablets can't be used for the editing stuff. 870 is that. Everyone can't be using editing and that all stuff. Anyways, that's a different thing. So let's talk about the pricing. Pricing hadn't confirmed yet, but I kinda say if I gonna be launching, then the 662 gonna be around 15K in India. Yeah, and that's the best price I kinda say. It's also cheaper. 662 is a really nice processor as per me. It's a 4G, that's the bad end, but it's good. And I kinda say tablets don't need kind of a 4G thing, but tablets are tablets. They also need an upgrade. So the another tablet, Pad Plus, it's a 5G, yep, and the battery is also there. So around and around, kinda say 24K, as per the storage variants and all stuff, which gonna be increasing and decreasing the pricing. And the 870 is a latest processor, and if you didn't know, again I'm gonna be making a video in the icon button, check it out. It's a really nice processor. 870, 888 were announced at the same time. So 870 is good, again a 5G processor, good for everything in today's gen. So I kinda say let's keep the smartphone pricing of the 870 is around 34K INR. So I can be saying it's a tablet, so 90 Hz is also there, OLED display, and battery is also there, good battery, 8600 mAh. So I'm gonna be asking you, what you're gonna be making the pricing in the description, let me know. And as for me, if I were to take it, then it's gonna be around 36, not more than that. So that pricing is good. Also you'll be getting is a dual camera setup for the front and the rear side. So that's good. Now if we have to talk about the brand Lenovo, they launches the product in too many countries, but not for the global. Sometimes you got to know about their smartphones, sometimes you know about their laptops, but you didn't know about the everything. So Lenovo is kind of a that thing. If they launches this 3 tablets globally, then this gonna be breaking the market also, and this gonna be really nice thing. Also they make the smartphones in the gaming industry too. If you didn't know, Lenovo Legion things, links are with the icon, make sure to check it out. So that was the Lenovo Pad series, Lenovo Pad, Lenovo Pad Plus, and the Lenovo Pad Pro. By the way, this is DRS. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay with tech. Peace out.